Hi everyone, my name is Elise and today we're here at Hollister Hills State Vehicular Recreation Area located in Central California. It's one of California's 9 off-highway vehicle places, and we're in part of the park that's dedicated for four-wheel drive recreation. And today I want to share with you a little bit about snakes. I have some of my coworkers with me here today and one of our junior rangers. If you guys want to wave. But first, before I get into it, I do want to go over a couple of safety things, specifically related to COVID, because we are in the middle of the COVID pandemic. So I just wanted to reiterate that to keep all of us safe, we're doing our best to stay at least 6 feet away. This is Megan and her daughter Cailin, so they're in the same household, so they're hanging out together, but I'm trying to stay away. And then also, I have my mask with me in my pocket, just in case I come across anyone. Yeah. So without further ado, let's talk about snakes.
Hi, I'm Megan. I work in natural resources here at Hollister Hills State Park, and this is my daughter. She is a junior ranger with us, and she is into herpetology and snakes, and she's gonna help us learn a little bit about snakes today. A little bit of snake safety. I have rattlers on, and these are snake guards, and what they do is if a venomous snake does happen to strike, the most common area that it would strike would be your calf or leg area. So it's canvas covered cardboard to help protect from the fangs going all the way. Was that the right term? Going all the way through just fabric pants. Would you like to tell us what we have here?
This is a snake trap, and it helps us monitor all the snakes and lizards in the park. We can use this to help us out. And so what you do is you take this hook and you hook it on the eyebolt. Oh, and then you use this end, and you just barely put your foot on, and you pull this stack out, and it lifts it up. So that it lifts it up that way instead of a snake trying to bite the burr, or it tries biting that way. Let's see what's under this.
Right. Hang on, let me check.
Safe?
It's safe if you want to come check it out.
Hey, what's this? Hey.
What is that?
It's the snake shed. So this is the top right here, and then this is the bottom. And
The belly side?
Yeah, this is the belly. And then this is the top part, the back. Oh, it's too old to take apart because, and I can't,
dry and brittle.
Yeah, and I can't see what kind of snake because I can't flatten it out.
What kind of snakes could we find under that board, Cailin?
We could have found gopher snakes or striders, rattlesnakes, which are venomous. Or we also could have found a garter snake, maybe a ringneck, but they like hiding in shadier, wetter areas.
What about a sharp-tailed snake? Yeah?
Yeah, there's also like shadier areas. They're not really wet, they like it more dampish.
How come we want to find snakes?
Because we wanted to show you guys and talk about them.
The park monitors the wildlife that is found in the park. So this helps us keep track of what species of snakes are in what areas of the park. So I believe we have 4 of these in different areas.
Me and my brothers are really like snakes, but we're not allowed to look for them anymore. Or because it's snake season and there's been a whole bunch of rattlesnakes here.
What's your favorite snake fact?
Since I really like bull snakes, I was really happy to find out that gopher snakes are a kind of bull snake.
Bull snakes are a kind of gopher snake.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. You guys want to wave to the camera? Say goodbye?
Bye.